Okay, so in this video on complex numbers, we're going to have a look at adding and subtracting complex numbers. So just a few simple examples. You see here in part 1, we're being asked to find the answer to z1 plus z2. So that's 1 plus 3i plus minus 2 minus 3i. So the way it works is you want to put real with real and imaginary with imaginary. So I'm just going to rewrite that. It'll be 1 minus 2 plus 3i minus 3i, which will be equal to minus 1 plus 0i, and that's part 1 answered. Part 2 now, we have some multiplication first to deal with before we can add. So it's 3 times z1 plus 2 times z2 . Again, we real with real and imaginary with imaginary. We get minus 1 plus 3i. In parts 3 and 4 now we'll look at some subtracting. z1 minus z2. So that'll be 1 plus 3i minus 2 minus 3i. So again, same as above, real with real and imaginary with imaginary, and just keep an eye here for your sign change. So 1 minus minus 2 will be 1 plus 2 plus 3i minus minus 3i will be plus 3i. So that will tidy up to 3 plus 6i. And then part 4, same as part 2, a little bit of multiplication to sort first before we look at our subtraction. So 2 times z3 minus 3 times z2 . We have a real with real and imaginary with imaginary. And again, just keep an eye on your signs. 2 minus minus 6 will be 2 plus 6 plus 2i minus minus 9 will be plus 9i, which will tidy up to 8 plus 11i. There is some simple examples of addition and subtraction for complex numbers.